In this video, I'm going to show you how I use one natural ingredient to grow my hair much faster, as well as growing my daughter's hair. I'm also going to show you the best way to use this recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it. Growing your hair much faster can be really challenging if you're suffering from balding, excessive hair breakages, hair fall, or even stunted growth. But with this recipe, when added to your hair care routine, will boost your hair growth, help you grow much longer and thicker hair. So make sure you're watching every part of this video. The recipe in this video is really potent, very powerful, and when added to your hair care routine will boost your hair growth like never before. But you really have to know the right way to use it, otherwise you'll be wasting your time. Before using this recipe, make sure to warm the oil up. So what I did was I just put the oil in hot water and I'm going to leave it sitting in the hot water till the oil becomes warm to a temperature that the scalp can tolerate. This oil is great for both adults as well as for kids. As you can see today, I'm going to use it on my daughter's hair. So as you can see, her hair is really thirsty, really dry. It's been in these braids for some time now. And before washing it, I need to use this oil in order to prevent her hair from breaking. Also, when this oil is applied to the scalp, to the hair roots, and also to the hair strands, it is going to stimulate new healthy hair growth and make her hair look more shinier, beautiful, and also very easy to manage. Aside that, in case there is any bacteria or dandruff on the scalp, this oil is going to help treat that and make her scalp really healthy. So as you can see, I make sure to dip the ends of her hair in the oil. The ends of our hair is really fragile. It's the oldest part of our hair and is very easy to break. Hair breakages actually start from the tips of your hair. So whenever you're applying any treatment on your hair, you make sure to concentrate on the tips as well as on the hair strands to prevent hair breakages. Also, whenever you apply this oil on the scalp, make sure you're using your fingers to massage it into the scalp, onto the roots, and also you're going to use your fingers to separate the hair. This is a hot oil treatment, and I'm going to show you what ingredients I put together in order to make this powerful hair growth oil that will not only boost your hair growth but also prevent hair breakages and treat your scalp from any scalp diseases. But before getting into all that, you know how we deal with here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we deal with here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and your families as well as on your social media platforms. And hey guys, I also upload vlogs on this channel, so it's always fun and jamming around here. So make sure to join us. Alright, so after applying the oil to every section of her hair and massaging it into her hair, I go ahead to put a rubber cap or a shower cap over her hair and let the oil sit in the hair for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out. Let me show you exactly how I prepare this hair growth oil. So the first oil I use is coconut oil. Coconut oil is really great when it comes to hair growth. It improves your scalp and your hair health to prevent hair breakages. Coconut oil, when added to your hair care routine, is going to prevent hair damage, hair breakages, as well as making your hair really soft and easy to manage. The next oil I'm going to use is my olive oil. Olive oil is also great when it comes to hair growth. It contains fatty acids and antioxidants. It also nourishes your scalp to make it really healthy to prevent dandruff and other scalp issues. Also, when added to your hair care routine, will help stop hair breakages and make your hair strands really healthy. I also added some grapeseed oil. Reading on the bottle, you can see grapeseed oil is rich in omega-3 and 6 as well as vitamin E. And all these are really great when it comes to hair growth. These are my favorite oils I added to my recipe. You do not have to use the same oils. Feel free to use any oil of your choice that works best for your hair. The major ingredient that you need is the Moringa powder. Once you have your Moringa powder, you can add any hair growth oil of your choice. One important benefit of Moringa powder is its ability to improve healthy hair growth. It contains vitamin A, vitamin B, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, and all these nutrients nourish the hair and promote hair growth. Moringa powder also contains zinc and iron, and these nutrients are also very essential when it comes to healthy hair growth. The iron in moringa helps bring oxygen to the roots of the hair, and this will in turn makes your roots really healthy to promote healthy hair growth. Moringa oil, when added to your hair care routine, is going to strengthen your hair strands to prevent hair breakages and also help grow your hair much faster. Alright guys, so I do not use any specific measurement to this. I just measured all the ingredients according to the quantity of hair that I was going to use this oil on. The only trick is if you use too much of the moringa powder, the oil is going to be too thick for you to use. So just make sure to use just enough to infuse the oil. And again, moringa powder is really potent, so you do not even need much. Just a little will go a long way. After adding it to the oil, make sure to give it a good stir. It might form some clumps, but do not worry about it. Once you keep stirring it, it's all going to dissolve in the oil. And after that, you're going to use the double boiler method as I'm using now to infuse the oil. After that, you're going to set it aside overnight for the oil to infuse even more. And you're going to know your oil is ready when your oil separates from the moringa powder. So at this point, I'm going to set it aside and leave it overnight. And after that, this is how my moringa oil is already looking. When you look closely, you can see that the oil has separated from the moringa powder. And this is exactly what we want. Do not stir it again at this point. At this point, we're just going to strain the oil out. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. I also upload vlogs on this channel, so it's always fun on this channel. Make sure to join us to learn more and also to have some fun. Alright, so at this point, I decided to strain my moringa oil. You can use any material with tiny holes. Your cheesecloth, your wig cap. Make sure that wig cap is clean. Okay, you can also use a paper towel as I'm using. The trick here is when you strain it, do not squeeze the paper towel or any material that you use. Just hold it up like so and allow the oil to strain by itself. Because when you apply some force to it, it is going to allow the powder to be added to the moringa oil, and you do not want that in your hair. So after you have your oil like so, this is your pure moringa oil. This is so powerful, guys. If you are serious about growing your hair, add this to your hair care routine. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you have already given it a thumbs up. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.